Darden. This one is the Capital Grille, DRI, Darden. They have Olive Garden, Cheddar's, Bahama Breeze, Eddie V's Prime Seafood. These are higher end offerings at Darden. Well, they're doing a deal to buy a Mexican chain, Pete, called Chuy's, and they're paying a fortune for it, $600 million. Do they have a nice footprint and do they have a nice product? Apparently they do, but wow, they are paying a big premium. And when anybody pays a 40 or 50% premium over the last traded price, that means that they don't want somebody outbidding them after they have basically ferreted out what they think is a great deal for them going forward.
Yeah, I like this as a nice tuck-in. That was something that Wells Fargo talked about when they were analyzing how this whole thing went. I like it, John. I think it makes some sense. Are they paying too much? Maybe a little bit more than maybe expected. But to your point, you want to have your best bid in there when you have a bid in there so that you know somebody else wants to pay more. You're probably going to back away and say, all right, now it's yours. But those shorts were getting killed today. We were talking earlier, we were looking at this thing, and it's like, how if you've got 5, 6, 7% shorts in a stock that's up 48%, those guys are in a world of hurt today because this is a jump that it jumped and it's just held on to it. So interesting to see Tex-Mex. I think it's like 17 states that they're across the southern states, right out of Austin, Texas. This one's pretty interesting. I think this is probably a nice tuck-in, as the analyst was saying. Inorganic growth is okay by me. Yes, you always want to do it as much organic as you can, but sometimes the inorganic growth, this company is there, it's ready to go. And if they can get underneath the DRI umbrella, I think they've got a shot.
Yeah, well, the short interest has been growing, Pete. I mean, the last short interest in middle of June was about 900,000 shares. It went up over 1.1 million, and I don't even have the latest. I got to believe there is a lot of pain in this one, a stock that's up 48%.